Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we learn about zero conditional. Zero conditional is used to talk about things that are always true, facts, rules, habits, or natural laws. Every time this happens, that happens. If you heat water, it boils. If plus present and present, that is the result. Let us read a few examples from nature and science for the zero conditionals. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. If the sun sets, it gets dark. If you drop a ball, it falls. If plants don't get sunlight, they die. If you mix vinegar and baking soda, it fizzes. Few more examples, habits and routines. Zero conditionals. If I drink coffee at night, I can't sleep. If she wakes up early, she goes for a walk. If students don't listen, they miss instructions. If you exercise regularly, you stay healthy. If we eat lunch late, we get hungry. More examples of zero conditionals, rules and instructions. If the light is red, you stop. If you press this button, the machine starts. If the alarm rings, you leave the building. If you don't wear a helmet, you can't ride the bike. If the password is wrong, access is denied. While doing zero conditionals, we come across a common error, using will or would in either of the clauses. If you heat water, it will boil. That is wrong. If you heat water, it boils. We don't use will or would or any future forms in zero conditionals. The next error that we make during zero conditionals is mixing it with the first conditional. If you eat too much, you will get sick. This is incorrect. If you eat too much, you get sick. That is correct. If you eat too much today, you will get sick. This is first conditional. Use zero conditional for general truths and first conditional for specific future situations. The next mistake that we make using zero conditionals is using past tense in either clause. If you ate too much, you got sick. This is incorrect. If you eat too much, you get sick. This is the correct sentence. Past tense is for second conditionals or past facts, not zero conditionals. The next common error, forgetting subject-verb agreement. See, subject-verb agreement is very important in each and every sentence in grammar. If we go outside, he feels better. This is wrong. If he goes outside, he feels better. Always match the subject with the correct verb form. Using when incorrectly. When you touch fire, you get burned. It is wrong. If you touch fire, you get burned. This is correct. When can work in some cases, but if is better for showing cause and effect clearly. The next common error is using modal verbs like can, may, should without any clarity. If you eat too much, you can get sick. This is incorrect. If you eat too much, you get sick. Or if you eat too much, you might get sick. Zero conditional is for definite outcomes, not possibilities. Thank you.